This is a video for my results for trade 300 to trade 400. It took me from April 1st, 2020 to May 28th, 2020. So 2 months for 100 trades. That's the fastest I've ever done 200 trades. Now, that being said, there were many days with 5 trades and 4 trades where I clearly overtraded. And most of those days were losing days. But I don't think I overtraded my way into a losing day. I think I had for most of those days where I took 4 or 5 trades, I had an early loss and I was trying to make it back over the next 3 or 4 trades. So I don't think I have an issue of overtrading and losing my winners. I think I have an issue of trying to make back my losers, which is also a big issue. But still, to be able to take 100 trades in 2 months is, for me, pretty impressive. Just because I usually don't see 100 things in 2 months. So the fact that I even saw 100 opportunities or 100 things that I thought were opportunities, I think is a sign of progress in and of itself. So over those 100 trades, my win rate was 63.4% win rate and 36.6% losers. This was the first set of 100 trades where I actually had my average winning trade larger than my average losing trade. So my average winning trade was 92 cents and my average losing trade was 84 cents. So winners bigger than my losers, and also 63.4% win rate. And that led to a profit factor of 1.9, which I don't know much about profit factor, but I know anything above 1 is profitable. I don't know what's considered good, above 2, above 3, but I think 1.9 is decent. And so over these 100 trades, I ended up making $25.51. So risking $2 per trade, and I made $25. So about 12 times my risk, 12 and a half times my risk. And this just reinforces to me what I've mentioned many times, is that you don't have to be perfect to be profitable. I wasn't even close to perfect. I thought I just traded okay most days. There were many trades that I should not have taken, but I did take. There were a lot of good trades that I should have taken but didn't take. A lot of trades that I mismanaged. Like, I don't think I traded particularly well, but I just tried to do the right thing as often as I could, and somehow it worked out. And all those 30 cent, 35 cent, 40 cent winners, they seem to add up. And as long as I'm trying my best to make the right decision, and as long as I'm doing a good job, or above average job, it seems to work out. Now, obviously, these results could be way better, but it is a profitable batch of 100 trades, and I think there's something to be celebrated there. So these results are pretty promising for me. So for the next 100 trades, I'm going to increase my risk by 5 times. So I was risking $2 per trade, and now I'm going to risk $10 per trade. A 5x jump is pretty significant, and I think I'm only going to do that now while my size is still small. So obviously, if I'm at $100 per trade, I'm not going to go up to $500 risk. Then I would probably increase by 20% or 25%, something like that. But because I'm still at relatively small amounts, I think it's okay to do that, and I feel comfortable making that jump. So starting tomorrow, I'm gonna start trading $10 risked per trade as a max risk. So if I'm scaling in, I might start off risking $5 and then have my other half position to add later. So it's just a max risk of $10. So a little bit nervous, but I think I'm ready to make the jump. So we'll see how the next 100 trades go.